Welcome to the Best Picks. The best car sensor is probably one of the most underappreciated technologies in modern vehicles, quietly working behind the scenes to enhance your driving experience. From parking assistance to blind spot monitoring, these sensors are essential for safety and convenience. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of car sensors, exploring their various types, functions, and how they contribute to a safer and more efficient ride. Number 5. Backup Parktronic system with 8 parking sensors. When reversing, 6 sensors are activated to help you park. This system uses 4 rear sensors and 2 front corner sensors to detect obstacles. While driving and braking, the front sensors activate. This feature assists the driver in navigating tight spaces and avoiding collisions. The sensors remain active for 15 seconds after the brakes are released. The system uses sensors to prevent collisions at the rear and rubbing at the front. This helps protect your vehicle from damage. The product provides early warnings of potential dangers. It alerts the driver through sounds, numbers, and lights. The display shows 8 light bars to indicate the location of obstacles. This provides a clear visual representation of the surroundings. It offers 3 alarm sound modes: voice, buzzer, and mute. You can easily switch between these modes to suit your preference. The sensors can be painted to match your car's color. This allows the system to blend seamlessly with your vehicle's design. What we like. This car sensor offers comprehensive coverage with its 8 sensors, ensuring you're aware of obstacles all around your vehicle. It also provides multiple warning modes, including voice, buzzer, and mute options, to suit your preferences. If you are looking for a complete parking assistance system with customizable alerts, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Works good. You could adjust the noise level to high to low, which was great, very easy to install, and then take some time to route all the wiring, but all in all, good product. If you install the right sensor in the right location on the vehicle and plug each sensor into the correct port on the main unit, everything just works. I like the volume control and the feature where I can turn off the voice. The measurements are very accurate. Number 4. YoLink Vibration Sensor and Hub Starter Kit. Introducing the YoLink Vibration Sensor and Hub Starter Kit. This kit is your first step towards a smarter, more secure home. It includes everything you need to get started. This sensor can be attached to various equipment to monitor activity. It can also detect glass breaking and potential theft. It provides comprehensive monitoring capabilities. Protect your home without the burden of monthly fees. You can self-monitor and receive notifications. It offers multiple ways to stay informed about your home security. The device-to-device pairing feature allows devices to operate together. They can function even without Wi-Fi, internet, or AC power. This ensures reliable operation in various situations. YoLink devices use LoRa technology for an impressive range. It can reach up to 1.4 miles in open air. This allows you to place the sensor in areas that other systems can't reach. All you need is a smartphone and a stable internet connection. The setup process is straightforward and user-friendly. Get started today and secure your home. What we like. This smart sensor seamlessly integrates into your smart home ecosystem. With its long-range LoRa technology, it can reach areas where other sensors can't. You can easily install it yourself, saving you money. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install security system with extended range, this is the one for you. What people say. Sending me notifications while my car is in a whole other town is crazy. I got this for my car to prevent car theft. It detects seriously the slightest movement of the vehicle and sends a notification immediately. I'm using this in a vehicle and it works very well. The reliable distance is very good, can be parked on street in front and across the street. Was not sure what to expect with my order. I was totally gobsmacked that I had the hub and vibration sensor set up in less than 5 minutes using the QR codes for each item. I now have this installed on my pool pump. Notifications arrive flawlessly. Number 3. X60D Car Reverse Parking Sensor System. Introducing the X60D, a car reverse parking sensor system designed for your safety. This system uses advanced radar technology to detect obstacles, helping you avoid collisions while parking. The X60D accurately detects distances from 30 to 150 centimeters. The system's buzzer provides progressive beeps as you get closer to an obstacle, ensuring you're always aware of your surroundings. Built to withstand various weather conditions, this system is water-resistant and anti-freeze, with an operating temperature range of -40 to +80 degrees Celsius. It ensures reliable performance in almost any environment. Equipped with a double CPU and upgraded chip, the X60D improves coverage and detection up to 2.5 meters. This advanced technology enhances the system's accuracy and reliability. The X60D is designed for easy installation. The system operates on a rated working voltage of 10V to 16V DC, making it compatible with most vehicles. Installation is straightforward. The X60D features 4 waterproof sensors with a 22mm diameter and a 2.3-meter cable. This durable design ensures long-lasting performance and reliable obstacle detection. What we like. This parking sensor features waterproof sensors, ensuring reliable performance in any weather condition. It provides progressive beeping alerts, becoming more frequent as you approach an obstacle. If you are looking for a simple and effective parking aid that can withstand the elements, this is a great option. What people say. Installed on a 2005 Ford Escape with standard gray plastic bumpers. First I painted the sensors, bare, chalk color, classic noir, matte and rust-oleum 2X ultra clear, matte, both from Home Depot. Virtually an exact match to the bumper. I researched photos online to get the exact OEM placement. Wired the power wire to the car's red and black reverse light wire in the wire bundle in the jack storage compartment and grounded it to the jack. Make sure you mark each sensor wire A, B, C, D and plug them in the correct way on the control box as indicated in the instructions. They are functioning very well. They work perfectly as well. I only use 3, one on each end and one in the middle. The speaker buzzer is in the rear and is plenty loud enough to hear above normal radio listening levels when backing up a car. I spaced them about 12 apart, on the upper part of the rear bumper. I used a T-tap and wired the sensor power into the reverse lights. The reverse lights are on the hatch part of the RX 330 making the installation more difficult. I temp wired the unit and sat it in my lap in the driver's seat to test all function and make sure it was working. The best part was, all installation was completed in the rear of the vehicle. I wired power to the unit then ran the wires up the hatch and down into the roof then back down to a storage area under the hatch floor. I took my time drilling the sensors, I didn't find any difficulty with the provided hole saw. I was lucky and found a plug in the middle of the hatch floor, where I ran the sensor wires through and into the hatch where the unit was installed. I placed the speaker behind to the side of the rear passenger seat. Number 2. EKYLIN Reverse Backup Radar System with 4 sensors. This is the EKYLIN Reverse Backup Radar System. It is designed to help you park safely and avoid collisions. The system uses sensors to detect obstacles behind your car. The system comes with a universal hole saw, making it easy to install on any car. You can drill holes on the bumper with the drill head. It's a convenient and practical design. The system provides distance detection with an LED display. The beeping sound will get more frequent as the car gets closer to an object. This helps you to estimate the distance. Installation is easy with the included detailed English manual. The system is designed for easy setup, so you can start using it right away. The EKYLIN Backup Radar System is available in multiple colors. You can choose from black, red, gray, white, Fiat red, champagne, and blue to match your car. The system includes 4 weatherproof sensors and an LED distance display. It is made with high-quality materials and comes with a 3-year warranty. This ensures its reliability and your peace of mind. What we like. This car sensor offers a universal fit, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles. It includes an LED distance display for clear visual feedback. Easy installation is another highlight. If you are looking for a parking sensor that is easy to install and provides clear distance information, this is a great choice. What people say. They've been improved with better alert tone. Works great. Sensors work great. Really helps with parking. These sensors are a great alarm for that. They beep whenever anything gets near and you are in reverse gear. The closer it is, the faster the beeping, and on the manual, you have a light telling you if the approach is from the right or the left. It also gives you the approximate distance. Number 1. Engine coolant temperature sensor 5149077AB. Are you experiencing engine issues? This sensor might be the solution. It's designed to replace your faulty one and restore your vehicle's performance. This sensor is a direct replacement for part numbers 5149077AB and more. Please make sure the part number matches your old sensor before purchasing to ensure compatibility. This sensor fits a wide range of vehicles, including Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram models. Check the description for a complete list of compatible vehicles to see if it fits yours. If your engine is overheating, hard to start, or emitting black smoke, the sensor might be the problem. Replacing it can resolve these issues and prevent further damage. Replacing the sensor is straightforward. Simply disconnect the wire connector, unscrew the old sensor, and install the new one. It's a quick fix for engine problems. Made with solid copper parts, this sensor offers excellent stability and corrosion protection. This ensures its reliability and long-lasting durability, providing you with peace of mind. What we like. This engine coolant temperature sensor is a direct OEM replacement, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including Dodge, Jeep, and Chrysler models. If you are looking for a reliable replacement sensor for your car, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Servicio muy rápido y el mismo que necesite. The sensor has worked as advertised. It fixed the problem. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.